Well, hello. Now, it's summertime, gonna have a refreshing drink, and we've all had Bloody Marys, I'm sure. But I've never been a big fan of the Bloody Mary. I always liked, in Canada, was the Bloody Caesar. So Canada has its own version. The Bloody Caesar is made not with tomato juice, but with clamato juice, and which is basically tomato juice and clam juice. Sounds strange, is very, very good. So give it a try if you ever get a chance to. You can only get clamato juice in Canada for all I know. Problem is, Japan doesn't have its own version until today. Today we have the Bloody Shogun. This will make a shogun out of you. It is good. It's a Japanese version. It's brand new. So when you have this years from now, you're in a cocktail bar somewhere and you have a Bloody Shogun, you say, hey, I saw the guy invent this on YouTube. All right. So what's in here? Well, a little bit of soy sauce, wasabi, a little bit of chili sauce, and it's really, really good. You can actually, if you want more kick, you can increase the wasabi at your own peril, of course. But the amount in here right now, it's just perfect. It's not up the nose type like I like to do sometimes. This is just nice and refreshing. So let's go in the kitchen and make a big jug of Bloody Shogun right now. Now to make a Bloody Shogun, we just have 6 ingredients here that we need. Of course, the tomato juice, that's 3 cups of tomato juice. This is a really nice thick tomato juice too. Any tomato juice will do, but I like this. Here I've got 1 cup of vodka. All this is chilled. This is straight from the fridge, from a good cold fridge. We want everything as chilled as possible. Over here I've got 1 tablespoon of sriracha chili sauce. That's also comes straight out of the fridge, as has the 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of wasabi paste. You can either grate your own or you can get it at a supermarket in a tube. That's nice stuff. We use that a lot. And here is a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now what we're going to do is, first of all, I'm going to take the chili sauce here. Let's move these guys off to one side. I'm going to take chili sauce, and I'm going to take that wasabi. Some wasabi is thicker than others, and it's a little hard to work in if you pour it straight into the juice. It's just going to clump in there. So what you do is you put it into the chili sauce, and just give it a little mix like that until it's, oh, look at that, mixing in there. Okay, that's good. Then I'm going to add the soy sauce, and that's going to liquefy that up some more. You just about use a bigger bowl, of course, but that'll do. So we'll just kind of mix around until we're getting the wasabi and the chili paste more liquefied. It's going to mix easier when it goes into that tomato juice. All right, now that's looking good. And now I'm going to add in the pepper. And then I'm just going to add that to the tomato juice. Okay, give that a little stir in there. And now I've got my big 1 liter carafe here. So in goes the tomato juice. Without making a mess, please. Oh, not bad. All right, so we got the tomato juice in there. Now, in goes the vodka. Actually, we use the vodka to wash down those sides a little bit. There we go. Give that a little stir. And then it's time to enjoy. Pour a little bit in a glass. Let's see what it's like. Oh yeah. That'll do. That's how's that. Oh yes, that'll make a samurai out of you. Enjoy that. Now, if you've got a link appearing on the screen and also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out this recipe from the Drink Recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. Just click the featured tag called Recipes. What? You're not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen? Well, please consider becoming one, because not only do you get access to things like these recipes, but also to all kinds of different videos focused on ingredients, kitchen tech, and our ever popular This is Japan and This is Japan hiking series. And also, you'll be supporting the creation of many more of these original Kuma's Kitchen recipes. Now, go print out our original Bloody Shogun recipe and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.